The solution set of an inequality is shown below. So this guy appears to be x is greater than or equal to 2. Now, it's greater than because it's going to the right. It's or equal to because the circle is filled in. And it's 2 because, well, 2. So I need to figure out which one of these is the same exact thing. So what I'll do is I'll solve each one of these individually. See which one gives me x is greater than or equal to 2. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of trickery going on here. Like I don't have any different signs. But I will say this. A and B would force me to multiply or divide both sides by a negative, which would require me to flip that sign to U, and the same thing would happen here. So I'm not going to try A or B because I know neither of those will work. Okay, now I have a hunch that if I were to do C, I'd multiply both sides by 4 and I would get negative something, which is what I don't want. So let me try D. Okay, I'm going to rewrite D. X over 4 is greater than or equal to a half. In order to get x all by itself, I'm going to multiply both sides by 4, like so. 4 times a half is 2. X is greater than or equal to 2 is exactly what I want. The answer is D. So again, it seemed like I rushed through this. This is what I did. I crossed out the ones that I knew wouldn't work. I crossed out A because I'd have to divide by a negative, which would flip the sign to the opposite side, so A didn't work. I crossed out B because I would have to do the same exact thing, multiply or divide by a negative, which means flipping the sign, so B wouldn't work. C, if I multiply both sides by 4, I would get a negative number, but I want a positive number, so C didn't work. And so I tested out D. That seemed to be the one that did work. D, dunzo funzo, hooray!